Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make green banana kofta curry. You can see I have taken 6 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas. This first of all I am going to boil it and then make the kofta curry. So come on, first of all I will boil it. First I will remove the edges. You can see the edges here. This I will remove. This type I will move it out and then put the bananas to boil. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe, comment. So come on, now I will put this in this container. I will put it for boiling. This type I will put the water also and let the banana boil. I've put up the bananas for boiling. I will cover it up till it boils down. The bananas are boiled up. Now I will take them out. I've taken the bananas out. Now I'll let it turn cold a bit and then I will make the balls, the kofta. Now I'm going to prepare the masala for the kofta, means for the kofta balls, what I'm going to use and make the balls that I'm going to prepare here. I've put some oil. I've taken 4 medium-sized onions, cut up, chopped up, and 4 green chilies cut up. And I have crushed up some ginger garlic, which I'm going to use to make the balls. The oil also is turned hot. I'll put in the onion and the chilies. I won't make the onions much brown. The onions are turned little pinkish brown. Now I'll put in the crushed up ginger and garlic. I will fry this also a little bit. The raw taste won't be in the ginger garlic, so I have to fry it. Put some salt because I'm not going to use any more salt for the balls. Put some turmeric also. This mixture is prepared for the balls what I'm going to make with the bananas. So I'll put the flame off and let it turn cold. Now I will peel the bananas this way. Peel all the bananas. I've peeled all the bananas. Now I'll mash the bananas this way. I've mashed the bananas. Now I will put the mixture what I have made and kept. All this I will put in. and mix it well. The mixture and the banana is mixed up well. Now I'm going to make the balls. This is how I will make the balls. The kofta balls are ready. Now I'm going to fry them. To fry the kofta balls, I'll put some oil and let the oil turn hot nicely. The oil is turned hot. Now I'll leave the kofta balls. This way I will fry all the kofta balls. One side of the balls is gone brown. Now I will turn them over. How nicely the balls are frying. The kofta balls are fried nice and brown. Now I will take them out. This way I will do the same process to fry the kofta balls. The kofta balls are fried up. You can see how nicely it's fried up. Now in the same oil I will make the curry. So come on, let us start with the curry. Put some onions. I have chopped up 2 onions, medium size. Put few bay leaves and let the onions fry a bit. The onions are almost turned brown. Now I've made a paste over here with ginger, garlic and jeera and black pepper. So I'm going to use this in the curry. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put the salt to taste. And let the masalas fry properly. The masalas are fried up nice and brown. I have chopped 2 tomatoes which I am going to put. Put in the garam masala. I will put in some chicken masala. If you all want to skip the chicken masala, you all can skip it. Put the chicken masala, it gives a nice flavor. Now I will add some water. Now I will put in the kofta balls. Nice it is.
अच्छा है इलायची
Put some coriander leaves. Cover it up for 5 minutes and let it cook. The kofta curry is ready. How appetizing it's looking. How lovely. You can see the balls. Thank you for watching my video.